From Pine Tree to Pizza Box by Amy and Richard Hutchings. Trees are very important natural resources. Trees make fresh air. They can be used in many ways too. Trees provide homes for animals, including insects, birds, and squirrels. Some trees grow nuts or fruits that animals and people can eat. People also use the wood from some trees to make things. Wood can be used to make furniture, pencils, paper, and more. Pine trees are a good tree for making paper and cardboard products. Shelter, food, air, fuel, wood products, paper, and cardboard. How do we make cardboard? There are a lot of steps involved in turning a tree into a product, such as cardboard. First, trees are cut down. Then they are chopped into logs. The logs are taken to a sawmill. The bark is removed. Logs are made into planks, boards, and other pieces or chips of wood. Wood chips are used to make cardboard. In this picture, you can see these are some of the steps to turn a pine tree into a pizza box. The next thing, the wood chips become pulp. Wood pulp is soft and soggy. It gets pressed into thin rolls of strong paper. 3 layers of paper at a time are then fed into a machine. The machine folds the paper. It glues the paper together. The pine tree is now cardboard. The cardboard can be cut, shaped, and printed on. It can then be folded into different types of finished products. In this photograph, you can see this flat pizza box is sold to pizzerias. How do we use cardboard? Cardboard is a very lightweight but strong material. It is good for making boxes. Can you think of some things that you can buy in a cardboard box? Cereal, sneakers, and games are packaged in cardboard boxes. So is pizza. In this photograph, you can see that many goods we buy come in cardboard boxes. Cardboard is also used to ship things. It is strong enough to protect whatever is packed inside. It is light enough so that it does not add much weight to a package. When people move, they use a lot of cardboard boxes to pack their things. Recycling cardboard. It takes years for trees to grow. It is important to recycle cardboard and other paper products. When something is recycled, its materials get used again. When materials are reused, it means fewer brand new materials will be needed. When cardboard is recycled, fewer trees need to be cut down. How does something get recycled? It begins with you. You and your family put your clean, used cardboard into a recycling bin. The bin gets taken to a recycling center, and at the recycling center, everything is sorted. Things are put into different bins. Some things cannot be used again and must be thrown away. The cardboard that can be used again is sent to a special factory. This factory turns the old cardboard into like new cardboard. Recycled cardboard is as good as brand new cardboard. Maybe your next pizza will come in a recycled box. A symbol on the box will tell you if the cardboard has been recycled. In this photograph, you can see garbage that is not recycled ends up in a big, messy landfill. Conclusion. Trees are important natural resources. They provide homes and food. We make many products from trees. We need to be careful with our trees. We need to make sure that we don't run out of them. Recycling paper products, including cardboard, is one way to help make sure we will always have big, beautiful trees.